Hey, hi, hello, and welcome to another episode of Iris Glamorous channel. Very happy New Year to you all. And I've already done the first review of first product review of 2020. That was the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer, and that was a requested video. This is not a requested video. This is something I felt helpful, and I also feel that it might be helpful for you. That is nothing but a winter essential, which is the olive oil. This is from one of my favorite brand, Jack Olive Oil, and this is the Italian olive oil for body lotion. Olive oils also comes for purpose of edible purpose, and olive oils are also there for essential oils, so you can use them in different ways you want it, in different fields or different parts of the body for to get the benefits of all of this. So I'll come in details of benefits because I did a lot of benefit series, and this is another benefit series where I'll be talking about this olive oil, any olive oil, how can it be helpful. But if you are having extremely dry skin type or normal skin type in winters and it dries out, then olive oils are great, friendly to you, and they can massage your you can massage it, and they will keep your skin moisturized for a longer time compared to any other oils. So let's get started to this video. The benefits of your skin. Olive oil is a great benefit for your skin. You can massage it in your body. It moisturizes, has a great moisturizing properties, so it moisturizes for a long time and keeps your skin healthy. And if you have cracky skins, then olive oils are your best friends. Nextly, olive oil contains a great amount of vitamin E, so it is a good antioxidant. So if you have wrinkles in your skin, then you can definitely apply it in your body. You can apply it wherever you feel the wrinkliness or anti-aging. It will not only for wrinkles, but people, even teenagers, can use this because it actually it will protect them from premature aging, so it is a great one. So you can also get the essential oils because olive oils has aromatherapies, so in that case you can get this therapy by using it in diffusers or by getting the smells of it, and you can also apply in the temples and behind the ears to get all the good smells of it, so that you can get the good benefit of it. It also helps you in digestion if you're having that olive oil. If you have constipations, olive oils are a great one, but yeah, it is too much costlier for us to afford it, because olive oils, it about one bottle of edible extra virgin olive oil comes around 1 liter comes around 700 to 800 rupees, so it is quite costlier. But if you can afford it, then do afford it because it is very good for health purpose. It also doesn't contain any fats, and it helps in decreasing the cholesterol, diabetes, if you are suffering from all those issues. Except that olive oil also helps in promotes hair growth and removes dandruff. Yeah, first of all, promoting hair growth, yeah, it really works great in promoting hair growth. So you can definitely apply something with your earbud or a cotton. You can apply on the scalp like this, and you can get the benefits of olive oils. And you can also get the benefit of olive oils by you can also get the benefit by directly applying on your hairs too. It actually promotes hair growth and also removes the dandruff from your hair. Also works great for a pain reliever, and it contains a compound called olicanthal that works if you have any pains or severe pain in your bones also, then you can massage it. Doctors also prescribe that for children to massage with olive oils properly, so that they get a good bone health, good muscle health. So you can also massage that area with olive oil. In the long run, it will definitely give you a great benefit in relieving all those. Now olive oil also works great for maintaining your nail health, because as it contains vitamin E. Definitely if you use as a cuticle oil, which is much costlier compared to like a bottle of olive oil you can get at around rupees like 100 to 200 rupees, or if you're going in a higher budget 300 rupees. So you will get, and you can use it in all ways. So you can use for growing your nails properly, helps in your cuticles if you have such issues, and you can also apply olive oils in your eyelashes by DIY using better is more than olive oil. I feel castor oil is better in using in eyelashes and eyebrows if you have thin eyelashes and eyebrows, so you can use that. I've already made a video on this, how you will reuse your old mascara container to make something which is DIY to grow your lashes more and all those areas. Castor oil works really great, but if olive oil is handy, that also works pretty much well. But yeah, not compared to castor oil, but it works pretty much well. If you wanted to see all those videos, the links will be given in the I button over here and will be linked in the description box below. And some other benefits of olive oil is that it also can be worked as a makeup remover. If you have dry skin type, then it is definitely your best friend going to be, because in winters you can definitely massage your skin, even your face, with essential or cold pressed olive oils are best. You can use them for massaging. You can see that it will on a long run not create any aging properties. Like dry skin tends to get more aging properties than any other, so it works as an anti-aging. It also clears gives you a clear skin, balances the pH on your skin. Also for oily skin type, also it works in balancing the sebum production. So if you're using in winters, if you have dry skin types in winters, then you can definitely see the difference of like using a olive oil in your skin and any other oil in your skin. For makeup removing purpose, obviously coconut oil is the best. You can also use olive oil if it is handy, and it also, the best part of this, it also removes argan oil infused like waterproof makeup. So it also is good in that case. So you can take it in a cotton and rub it off. So those were all the benefits that I felt that olive oil really does for me and works great for me. So it also, yeah, I definitely going to forget, last but not the least, is that it helps in preventing the crackiness in your health. I'm extremely sorry for the background noise because the road is beside my home. So it actually helps in reducing the crackiness in your feet, in your heels. So you can definitely apply on that area with some cotton, with your fingers, with massaging it properly. I have talked about a lot of feet cracking creams like the Himalaya ones and the one from BioBloom. So if you wanted to see all those, then the links are given in the I button over here. You can check the description box for other links too. So yeah, those were the details, benefits, videos of this olive oil and cold pressed olive oil, essential oil. If you, I'll just throw a chart of all the essential oils or cold pressed oils or body massage olive oils which you can get in reasonable price. So I'll throw a chart of this, which is available mostly everywhere, online, offline, so you can get them yourself and use them and get the benefits of this. So hope you have felt the video a little helpful. If you did, then please hit on the like button. It encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable contents for you. To share it with all your friends, to comment us below your opinion regarding this video or any other video content. To subscribe to our channel, we upload 5 videos in a week consisting a lot of varieties of videos, and sometimes we go on uploading every day. So don't forget to click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button so you will get all the notifications from our channel. So that was all for today's video. Hope you stay blessed, stay happy, and bye.